Okay, so it's about 5 degrees out here, I think. It was down to the negatives last night. We're going to pull the Honda inside. Door lock still works just fine. It's not frozen or anything. As you can see, we now have a little bit more mileage, 226, 638. And so remember, this is carbureted, so we'll just go ahead and tap the gas a few times. That should be good enough. Actually, we'll do it once more. Turn off the fan. I'm just gonna let it warm up a little bit. The gearbox is very stiff. But I mean, you can hear it sounds pretty good, really. Not bad. Sounds a little bit rough, but it's really not that bad.